Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. I'm going to show you in this video how using this automation you can add all your form submission to your CRM just in few seconds. Here, as soon as you receive a new form submission on Typeform, automatically the leads will be added to your Go High Level. Here I have used Go High Level as my CRM. You can use any according to the requirement. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this for your business step by step, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Typeform with the CRM such that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically it is added to my CRM. Here in my CRM, I am going to take a Go High Level and I'm going to add all the leads here. So we are going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. I'll click on this sign in as I'm an existing user. From here, I'm going to go towards Pabbly Connect and I will be landed towards the app dashboard. Now I'm going to create a new workflow for which I'm going to click on this create from scratch, and then I'm going to name this workflow as turn every Typeform response into a CRM contact instantly, and I'll select the folder. Here these are the folders you can see I've created. I'll select it as forms automation and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a contact should be created, which means whenever there will be new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Typeform. And in my trigger event, I am going to select new entry and then click on connect. Now over here, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Typeform. I have already logged in my Typeform and I'm going to simply grant away the permission by clicking on this accept. You will see connection created successfully. Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to select the form. Now if I open my Typeform, let's suppose I'm going to work on this registration form and it has all these fields: first name, last name, email, phone and city. So I'm going to select that from the drop down. You can see all the forms which I have. I'll select registration form. After selecting the form, I'll click save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to do a form submission. So for that, over here you can see that I have this option of share. I'm going to copy the link of this form and I'm going to paste it in a new tab. And from here, I'm going to do a form submission. As I do this form submission, all the details should be captured here. So I'm going to enter the first name as admin, the last name as lead, the email address as adminlead 463@pabblydudes.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number. I'll enter the city as Bhopal, and then I'm going to submit this here. As soon as the form submission is done, I should capture this detail in my workflow. Let me open my workflow here. Let's wait for the webhook response. And we have captured the response. So here we can see the details. The name is admin, the last name is lead, then we have the rest of the details like the phone number, then we have the city as Bhopal, and we also have the email address here, adminlead 463@pabblydudes.com. Here, as soon as we have done the form submission, we have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new form submission, I want to add that to my Go High Level. So I'm going to search for my action application as lead connector v2. In my action event, I'm going to select create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with lead connector v2. I've already logged in my Go High Level account, and I'm going to click on this next, after which I'm going to select my sub account. So I'm working on Pabbly Connect. I'm going to select that. You will see the connection will be created successfully. So here it is. Now if I open my Go High Level, on the top you can see that I'm working on the same sub account, Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to enter these details, but over here I'm not going to enter the details like this manually. Instead I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter slash and then go towards the Typeform response. So here I have to search for admin, and then I'm going to enter the last name as lead. So I'm going to enter the same in my first name and the last name as this. So I'm going to enter the email address next. The email address is admin lead, this one, and then we have the phone number, this one. We have the city also. So the city was Bhopal. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. So here I have entered all the details in the state, country, postal code, tags, time zone. I'm not going to enter anything. I'm going to skip all of these fields, but if you have received the response, you can enter. Also, you can select the fields according to the requirement. I'm going to keep it as default only. I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here it is, we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. The lead has been created. I'm going to open my pipe drive and check whether the contact is created or not. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, so I'm going to open the contacts. And here it is, we have created this admin lead. If I open this, you can see the name was admin lead. Email address which we added was adminlead463@pabbly.com. The 6565 was the phone number with the rest of the details like the city only which we have added. This is how we have created the connection between Typeform and Go High Level using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.